guys, it's Gracie with WTI. Have you ever bought something and then wondered, dang, why didn't I buy this sooner? Well, that's exactly how I felt after I bought this pet food storage container from Iris USA. I knew I was gonna like it, but I didn't realize I was gonna like it so much. I've been using these two tiny Tupperware bins to keep our cat food in. The struggle was real. I was always making a mess, and it was such a hassle because I had to refill these bins every few days. So that's why I love this storage container, because now I can just dump the whole bag of cat food directly into this container and I'm set for months. This guy can hold up to 25 pounds or 32.5 quarts of dry pet food. And it has this foam airtight seal around the whole lid to help keep your pet's food nice and fresh. And what's nice is this lid flips open all the way and lays flat against the bin. I found this really helpful when I had to wash the container out. I hardly ever exercise, so sometimes lifting that 25-pound bag of cat food over and over was a little bit of a challenge for me. So that's another reason why I love this, because it also has wheels on it. And these wheels rotate a full 360 degrees, making it a breeze to move this container wherever I want it to without having to think twice. But if you're wanting to store this container on a shelf or anything like that, you can also choose to keep the wheels off. And I also like the fact that it's see-through, so it helps me see exactly how much food is left and when I need to go buy some more. As you can see, I bought the one with the gray lid, but Iris USA has a few different color options for you to choose from. This is basically just a huge Tupperware bin, so ideally you can use it for multiple different things around your house. I have been so happy ever since I ditched my two little Tupperware bins and replaced it with this big boy instead. This is one decision that I will never regret, and that's my point of view.